everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of drawing faces. If you're a beginner wanting to learn to draw a face, then this tutorial has got you covered. So grab your pencils and let's begin. The first step is to draw the outline of the face. Begin by drawing a circle for the face. And then add vertical line down the middle which is stretched beyond the bottom of the circle. Actually, this will show us where to draw the chin. And as for our front facing view, divide the circle horizontally, as this is where we will draw eyebrows. Now moving on to our second step, which is to divide the two lower quarters of the circle with two vertical lines. The area between these two lines is the distance between the eyes, and the ending point of these vertical lines is where the nose will be drawn. Now, what you need to do is to draw lines which shows the placement of eyes, nose, lips, forehead, and the chin. I'm drawing the jaw using a triangle shape. You can mess around with other shapes as well to get a good face shape. Sometimes you won't get the placement right, but it gives you a good start. And do remember to examine your reference carefully. Now for step 3, we're gonna start placing face features. Start by drawing eyebrows first and then move on to eyes, nose, and lips. To get the best results, you need to practice more and more. And the final step is to add ears and jaw. And finally, you can draw hair. The ears are drawn starting from the eye line to a little below the nose line. We all know that almost all faces are asymmetrical, so the drawn face doesn't need to be exactly symmetrical. And there you go. You've got the basics of drawing a face. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video.